How to put three hairs on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily customize hair on the Roblox app. So let's dive right in. Open up the Roblox app and then you'll see your profile name on the home page. Tap on it and then you'll see edit profile. Tap on it and then you will see a small avatar like icon beside your profile. Tap on it and then here you can see the hair option. So just go to the hair tab and you can choose from the various hair options right here. So you can even preview the one that you want and you can just put it on. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.